Hey guys, today I'm going to attempt to pick this Mul-T-Lock Classic. I'm going to use this multi-pick flag, this multi-pick Z-wrench. Let's get started. I'm a little bit of a false set. Just lost the false set and now we got it back. Probably we only probably have inner pins left. Okay. I don't exactly know what's holding us up. Pretty strange. And we got it open. So you can see I won't close it again because I don't have a key. Now to get to the disassembly and to the gutting, I'm going to zoom out, just like here, this tensioner out. I need to be careful that I don't close the lock or I need to pick it again. Let's unscrew this back piece. Put this back part off. I'm going to use a piece of cardboard for gutting because I currently don't have any other things, any other pinning trays. I'm going to use a shim. This should be in place. Now I need to be careful so that I don't dump all the pins out. Okay. to dump pins. 2, 3. Take my plier, tweezers. That's the last one. Let me arrange these. This out. Last one. Now to the rest of the pins. I'm going to take the shim out. I would take the shim out of it. Okay. Let me zoom in a bit so you let us see what's going on. It's nice and visible. Just lost a pin, sorry. There's a spring. I'm gonna put some springs over there. There's the inner from chamber 1. It's a bit greasy. That lost pin again. Let me take the spring out. I'm going to swap the follower so I don't lose any more pins. So now we have another follower so I don't lose any more pins. Another spring. Number 2. Let me zoom out a bit. I'll take out the springs later. The inner pin in slot 3. Now the outer slot 3. Just lost a spring. We have it. Slot number 4. Now, slot number 5. I mean chamber number 5, sorry. Spring. And the standard. Let me arrange these pins for you. pins. Focus. Yeah. The core. Okay, the camera is not focusing, but everything's normal there. Can shine with the flashlight in there. Camera isn't focusing, but yeah. There's no counter milling of the chimmers and the core. There's also no counter milling. You can. I hope you guys see this. Focus. I'll show it later. We can have a closer look at the pins. There they are. We have 3 mushroom spools, mushroom pins. It starts 1, 2, and 4. We have 4 spooled outer pins. It starts 1, 2, 3, and 4, and matching spooled inner pins. But I believe no counter milling. Might take a pick. No, I don't feel any counter milling in the slot. Yeah, now you have a better closer look. No counter milling in the core. Also here's nothing. Yeah, this was a Mul-T-Lock. It's Mul-T-Lock Classic. I'm going to reassemble a different lock probably, because this is going to take a pretty long time to reassemble.